and this is 1216 East 40th Street in Savannah, Georgia. This all brick beauty is cute as a button. I want to let you know about the location of this property. You are minutes from historic downtown Savannah. You have easy access to Daffin Park and the Truman Parkway. And if you're a Savannah Bananas fan, Grayson Stadium is about 6 blocks that way. Let's go inside and take a look. Inside, you're going to find a lot of the original 1940s character and charm, like these open arched doorways, beautifully painted hardwood floors, and amazing architectural details. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a laundry room and peep this renovated kitchen. So this property does come with off-street parking and a carport, but it also has an amazing backyard. It's fully fenced in with a deck just waiting for someone to entertain or hang out. I hope you thought this property was as fun as I do. Let me know what you think.